Okay, now. So, for example, this one, let's use 4 different tones to read. And each tone have different meaning, different character. So first the pronunciation. Tang, right? Yes. Okay, let's use 4 tones to read. So the first one. Tang. So it's because it's so tang. The second one. Tang. Yes. So just pay attention. The second tone always from very low level, right? So tang. The third one. So tang. Yes. The fourth one go down. Yes, very quickly. Short. So tang. Tang. Yes. So 4. So together is tang. Right? Yes. Thank you. Okay. So one more time. So it's like tang. So look. And the first tone is a little bit higher, so it's this level, like tang, and keep the same. And when we say the second one, so we need to come to the very below level, right? So it's tang, then tang, right? So, for example, if you say tang, means soup, you want to take the soup. So tang, if it's tang, the second one means sugar. So see, it's very different, right? So in the restaurant, you say 我要汤 or 我要糖. So it's different. It means I want soup or I want sugar, right? Yes. So now try another one. For example, like okay, now try this one. So what's the pronunciation this one? Beng, right? Okay, so let's try 4 tones. For the first one? Yes, so beng. Second one? Yeah. Oh, sorry. So it's a beng. Yeah, the third one, beng. Fourth, beng. Yes. So as the first one fine, that's the second one, especially if mix. So the second one, remember, need from here. So then it's easy. Then no mistake. If you start from here, usually have mistake. Okay, so beng. Okay. So now let's try. Let's practice. If we mix all these pronunciation, this page 5, we read like this. Okay. Okay. So the first one is the third and the second. So how to say? Yes, 挽回. So, one, look, 1 is here. 回, then always correct. If you don't come back, you start from here, always a mistake, wrong. That's why 挽回. Yes. So 挽回, then next one, 五楼. Yes. Next one, 北头. Right. Next, 老王. Yes. So if the second tone, you know, from very low level, then easy, right? Okay. So it's 挽回, 五楼, 北头, 老王. Yeah. Okay, then the second group is the second 4. So how to say? Yes. So the 4 is it's short. 谈话. Next one. Right. 流畅. Next. 麻醉. Next. Right. So the first one is very quickly, short, right? So it's 谈话, 流畅, 麻醉, 白费. Yes. Okay. Next one. First, second. How to say? Problem. Because you say see, look. Some of you, why you problem? Listen, you said see, none. See, none. It's go down. Yes. See, none. Again, second tone, because C is here. You need to none. Yes, now it's correct. So C, none. Next one. Good. Next. Good. Yes, now it's good. Okay, just remember the second one always from low level, huh? Okay, next one, second first. Yes, 南方. Next one. 国花. Next. 胡椒. Next. 茶杯. Yeah, this is easy. Okay, now the second group. First and third, how to say? Yeah, this is easy. 都好. Next. 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 Good. Okay, continue. 4. Yes, so it's fast. It's like no. So 太快. Next one. 上当. Next. Next. Good. 判断. Yeah, it's 4. So it's 判断. Yeah.
The word Shandong
山东.
is 4.
That's you mean Shandong province. Shandong province is first. Shandong is Shandong is first 4. If it's 4 should say 山东. Yes. And Guangdong. Who can tell me Guangdong is which tone? Guangdong. Yes. Good. Yeah. Guangdong. Tell me Shenzhen. Which tone?
1/4.
Yes. Good. Yes. Look. Shenzhen. Yes. Shenzhen. Yeah. After you learn that, if your own pronunciation and the tone good, you really later step by step you can hear which tone, right? Yes. Okay. Now this 4. 2. Yeah. 40. Next one. Next. May or Mia? Yes, it's Mia, not May, right? So Mia Wang. Yeah. So it's 40报仇往前灭亡. Okay.